The Syracuse Housing Authority is defending itself, insisting it is not to blame for delaying a project that could help some of the poorest children in Syracuse. 1 week ago, an agency known as Bluepoint 15, a nonprofit that's working to reimagine the East Adams Street neighborhood, announced the Child Rising Center project was on pause. The center proposed as a 70,000 square foot haven for children and families. It came with a $32 million price tag. It was supposed to include an early childhood learning center, a YMCA, and other amenities. But anytime land is transferred and residents need to relocate, there's public housing there now, a project like this needs federal approval. Bluepoint 15 blames the Syracuse Housing Authority for missing a crucial deadline to get the plans for relocation approved by the Department of Housing and Urban Development. The I-Team's Mary Keeler is in with the latest on this. The finger pointing here, Mary. The blame game, really.
Yeah, Michael, that's exactly it. The finger pointing, it continues. And tonight, the I-Team was set to speak with Syracuse Mayor Ben Walsh as he gets to appoint more than half of the Syracuse Housing Authority board members. Just before our interview that was scheduled for this afternoon, his team canceled. His deputy mayor, though, today says she's still got hope for the project. Last week, Syracuse Deputy Mayor Sharon Owens sitting in a Common Council committee meeting, sharing the $32 million project set to transform part of the old 15th Ward isn't moving forward right now.
It is a disappointing moment for us.
She's the president of the board of nonprofit Bluepoint 15, working to redevelop some of the poorest zip codes in America. At an event in Syracuse Monday, Owens reaffirming her stance on why the project is paused.
What is going on right now is a problem with syncing of deadlines. The Bluepoint 15 project, because of its funding sources, had a deadline that we had to begin construction on the project. That was April 1st.
Bluepoint 15 was applying for a new market tax credit to cover the cost for the rest of the project. That application required approval of relocation plans for residents by HUD. Owens says that didn't happen in time.
That has caused a pause because part of the funding is not available after April 1st. I'm committed to continuing the work to get that project done. It's an amazing project. We wouldn't have had $32 million of investment in it if people didn't think it was an amazing project.
In a lengthy statement Monday, the Syracuse Housing Authority saying they're on track to receive HUD approvals this year. And, quote, SHA has not missed any deadline in this regard, and any assertion to the contrary is simply incorrect. It goes on to say approval from HUD could have come sooner if, quote, SHA had not needed to accommodate Bluepoint 15's several changes to the project plans. And the I-Team today reached out to the chair of the Syracuse Housing Authority Board, Calvin Corridors. We got him on the phone. He was not willing to make a comment. In studio tonight, I'm Mary Keeler.